Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a silky smooth, high-resolution design out of Canva. No more blurry or pixelated images holding your projects back. Whether you need crisp graphics for printing, professional presentations, or detailed social media posts, you'll walk away from this tutorial with the confidence to export your Canva designs at their absolute best quality. Let's jump right in. So let's say you've already spent some time creating your image in Canva. You're happy with how it looks, but you need it to be high resolution, maybe for a print project or just to make sure every tiny detail shines. Here, what you'll do next. Head over to the top right corner in Canva and click on the Share button. From there, you'll see an option to download. Now, here's a tip. Choose to download your file as a PDF. Even if you're ultimately looking for an image file like PNG or JPG, starting with a PDF from Canva actually preserves as much detail as possible, especially compared to downloading straight to PNG or JPG through Canva's interface, which sometimes limits the resolution or DPI. Now, maybe you've tried exporting as an image before and you were a bit let down by the clarity. Don't worry, you're not alone. If you check your downloaded image and it looks a bit blurry or not as sharp as you hoped, especially if you zoom in or try to print it, this next step is for you. Once you have your PDF downloaded, we're going to use a handy free tool online, the Google Online Converter. Just head to their website. It's really straightforward, so don't worry if you've never tried this before. Once you're on the site, look for the Image Converter section. This is where we'll transform our PDF into a high-quality PNG, which is perfect for most uses and gives you that crisp finish you're aiming for. Click on the PDF to PNG option. This tells the tool to take your multi-layered, detail-rich PDF and carefully convert it into a PNG image, which high-quality printers and most modern software love to work with. Click Choose Files and then select the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. Give it a moment to upload. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, especially if your design is pretty detailed. Here comes a really important step. Once your PDF is uploaded, before you hit Convert, scroll down to the option settings. You'll see a setting labeled DPI, which stands for dots per inch. DPI is basically the amount of detail packed into each inch of your image. For print and professional results, 300 DPI is the magic number. It's what most printers require for super sharp graphics without fuzziness. So in that box, just type in 300. Don't be tempted to go higher. 300 is the sweet spot for nearly all print purposes, and anything above often just makes your file unnecessarily large. Now go ahead and start the conversion process. Just click the button and let the tool do its thing. It might take a few moments, especially for big files, but that's totally normal. Don't worry if you see a little loading circle for a minute or two. Once it's finished, just download your new PNG file. What you'll have now is a beautiful high-resolution version of your Canva design, perfect for anything from business cards to posters to presentations, with the clear edges and vibrant colors you were hoping for. And that's it, you've just unlocked a pro-level export workflow for Canva. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with any questions or your own tips, and of course subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.